Let's take a look at the chart action for Dogecoin. Alright, so in my last video we had a target of .41 and we met my target and we actually pushed right through it. That red box didn't even give us resistance, guys. I thought that previous top up here was gonna hold us down, but nope. We pretty much are passing right through it. We have a previous top of .448, so watch that area as well for a rejection. At the rate we're going right now, it's possible that we break through it. Right now I'm watching this white trend line and this purple trend line. We've been getting support on this white trend line like this. So yeah, I would say just keep on watching this one and watch for a break, because right now it's just looking bullish. I took some profits right here and I got a little more conservative. But now that we're breaking this resistance, we have these 4-hour candles right here. I think if we can close this 4-hour candle and start pushing up on the next candle as well, we're possibly looking at a target of this purple triangle. We had support down here, right here, and right here in this area. And then we had resistance right here and pretty much right here. I would have liked there to be more resistance, maybe somewhere right here. So let's drag this target from here to the breakout, and I'm thinking still around .53. I've talked about that in my last video, so maybe the next target is still going to be .53 like I talked about. I'm starting to kind of move towards that target now. Before I wasn't 100% sure if we were going to be able to break this resistance, but now it's looking like we're more likely to. Like I said, we're still going to want to watch out for this red line right here for a possible correction or possible rejection. Yeah, we're going to have to wait and see. So I would say watch this previous top at .448 and then watch this white trend line. If we break down, I'll probably be taking profits for that. But right now it looks like we've been nothing but bouncing off of it. So yeah. All right. If you guys like that video, hit that thumbs up button.